Hi everyone, and welcome to Travel World. Today we will give you travel tips about Japan, one of the most technologically advanced country in the world. The capital of Japan is Tokyo and also the most populated city in the world. Watch this video till the end to know our top picks to visit in Japan. So let's begin with Japan travel tips. Best time to visit. The best time to visit Japan is during the months of April to May or September to October. The weather is mild during these months and there are fewer tourists too. June to August and December to January are the peak seasons here. In June to August, the weather is warm but there are many festivals and events happening too. December to January are cold and snowy here. The prices for flights and hotels are also higher during these months. Currency. The currency of Japan is the Japanese yen. The exchange rate for it is constantly fluctuating, so do check it before you travel. Cash is king. The most common way to pay for things in Japan is with cash. However, credit cards are also widely accepted too. Subscribe to our channel for more such useful content. Emergency contact numbers. The emergency contact numbers in Japan for police is 110 and for fire and ambulance it is 119. What to pack for Japan? When you think of packing for a trip to Japan, it is important to pack for a variety of climates. The weather in Japan can vary depending on the season and the location. In general, it is a good idea to pack light, comfortable clothing that can be layered too. It is also a good idea to pack sunscreen, sunglasses, and a hat. Languages spoken. This sounds obvious but main language spoken in Japan is mainly Japanese only. However, in recent times the number of people who speak English is increasing. Public transportation rocks. Japan has an excellent public transportation system. The most common way to get around Japan is by train which connects its islands. There are also buses, subways, and taxis. Tell us in comments below, what tips would you give for people going to Japan? Our top picks of places to visit in Japan. Tokyo. Tokyo is a city that never sleeps. There is always something to do, whether you are interested in history, culture, food, or shopping. You can visit the Sensoji Temple, one of the oldest temples in Tokyo. Take a walk through the Shinjuku Gyoen National Garden, a beautiful park in the heart of Tokyo. Explore the Tokyo Tower, a 333-meter tall tower from where you can watch the stunning views of the city. Go shopping in Shibuya and Harajuku, two of Tokyo's most popular shopping districts. Kyoto. Kyoto is a city with a rich history and culture. Here you can visit the Kiyomizu-dera Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Go and see the Arashiyama Bamboo Forest, a beautiful bamboo forest located in the hills of Kyoto. You can also visit the Kinkaku-ji Temple, a golden temple that is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Kyoto. Explore the Gion district, a geisha district where you can see geishas walking around. Visit the Nishiki Market, a lively market where you can buy all sorts of Japanese food and souvenirs. Osaka. Osaka is a city known for its lively nightlife and delicious food. You can visit the Dotonbori district, a neon-lit area full of restaurants, bars, and shops. You can also visit Osaka Castle, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. You can go shopping in Umeda Sky Building, a 40-story shopping mall with stunning views of the city. Hokkaido. Hokkaido is Japan's northernmost island and is known for its beautiful mountains, forests, and lakes. Here you can visit Mount Fuji, the highest mountain in Japan. Now that we've uncovered tips for Japan, it's time for tips for other countries from the link on your left. See you next time.